am in a forest where I grew up. It's a beautiful forest. I can truly, honestly tell you that I planted some of this tree. Every spring, I will be involved into the planting this trees here when I was younger, because I'm still young. Anyway, I found this beautiful setting here, perfect to give you the most amazing butt workout. So first, of course, you have to warm up. So I'm gonna step a little bit. You can use a step at home, or you can use a bench or something like this. So first I'm gonna step right here to the edge, and I'm gonna drop this leg down, okay? This is really good for your lower back, for your hip, but also you're working this leg. And then you're gonna go to the other side just to warm up a little bit, and then you're gonna use it to do more intense exercises. So this leg doesn't move at all. Stay nice and straight. The other one, you bending your knee and you're warming up. Good. Now we're gonna do a little across and out. Move your arms too with a nice deep breath in and out. It's magical. It's magical. I'm coming here again for sure. My family's around here somewhere. My dad, my sister-in-law, my husband, my nephew. My nephew is looking out for bears, and the rest of them, they are looking for mushrooms. Good. Now we're gonna do one leg at a time, squeezing the abs, draw the belly in. I'm making a video. Good. And then one leg up, opposite arm. Still kind of warming up, but also really good to get your balance, your butt muscle, and the muscle along your spine. Beautiful. I think that's pretty good for now. So I'm gonna go into a workout. So I'm gonna have one leg standing here and one leg coming up and forward, like you bend and you do a little kick. Draw the belly in, bring the knee across. And then the other one. Oops. So this leg is bending a little bit, the other one is coming forward. Draw the belly in. Good. Okay, so let's have your toes out to the side, and you're gonna do a double plie. Bring it up, squeeze the glutes together. We're gonna do this one for 15. Squeeze the glutes. 5 more here. 1, 2, 2. You found mushrooms? Whoa, those are beautiful. Show to my camera a little bit. And then stay here after the 15.
This is our dinner.
Our dinner, yeah. Okay, so you're gonna stay in this nice wide plie, and you're gonna bring your heels up for 15. Hello. 15. Shake it out a little bit. Good. And you're gonna go to a chair squat, okay? So your feet are right under your hip to a number 11. And you're gonna go same thing, 1, 2, up on your toes, squeeze the glutes in your way up. Okay? If you just do this chair squat, you work in your leg. When you come up and you squeeze those glutes together, you'll right away notice how you're gonna have the nicest butt in town or in the country. They're excited. I start finding mushrooms. We're gonna have nice risotto tonight. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna go into your hands and knees here. Okay, what a beautiful stitch I found myself in the forest. Straighten your back, make sure your hands are right under your shoulder. And then you're gonna go up. Pretend you have something heavy onto your foot there on your heel, and you push it up. This one I want you to do 20. 3, 2, 1. Good. Now you're gonna make a circle. 1, 2, 10, and the other way around. 10. So your knees bend completely, and you're moving from your hip, and you make nice circle. You draw a nice circle with your knee. Give it a little shimmy shake with your bum, and we're gonna go out to the side for 20. Fifteen, 20. Give it a little shimmy a little bit here, and we're gonna go to the other leg, okay? So first 20 here, knees bend, you pushing up with leading with your heel up to the sky for 20. And let's go to that nice beautiful circle. And the other direction, 10. 3, 2, 1, and give it a little shake, shimmy, happy puppy, and we're gonna go out to the side for 20. Nineteen, 20. Ooh, baby. Good. We're gonna come back up. Give it a shake. So this is gonna really focus on legs and bum, but mostly on your bum, okay? So you're gonna go here, right at the edge of your bench or your stair, okay? Your stair, step on your stair, and you're gonna take it as low as you can. When you come up, you're gonna bring the leg to the side. On your deck, five more. Four. Good. Watch me. So you're gonna turn facing all the way to the back here, and that leg was dropping down. We're gonna bring it up for 20. Good. Other leg, of course. You have two legs, so you're gonna do the other leg down and lift. Balance control, body awareness. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, good. Turn facing the other way, and 20. Okay, that's all you need for your back workout. Actually, I have another one for plie. You're going to stay in a plie, and you're going to tap your toes for 20. Okay. Give it a little shake side to side. Good. So now I'm gonna show you some good stretches for your bum. So you're gonna put one leg here, other one here, and go in between and bring it in. Better if I sit all the way down here. So you go in between your legs and bring it towards your chest. Bring it a little closer, you feel it, you'll know it. And then you switch. And slowly bring it up. We did work the legs too, so you're going to stretch a little bit through the legs. So sit like this, nice and tall, and bring one leg into your hand and pull it back gently. And then you're going to stretch the back of your leg. So beautiful and peaceful. And the other side. Okay. Open the hip, stretch the quads, the front of your leg. And now you're stretching the back of your leg. Nice, beautiful job. And you're gonna stay here nice and tall. Grab one knee, twist, look over your shoulder, straighten that spine, open that chest hard, breathe in and out. And the other side, same thing, lift your heart up, chest up, and your heart and your chest, twist, twist, twist. Your spine will thank you, your body will thank you, your everything will thank you. And grab your feet here and give it a little shake here for your hips. And lean forward as low as you can without forcing anything. And you're going to come up nice and tall. And you're going to say, I am smart, I am strong, I am unstoppable. I am smart, I am strong, I am unstoppable. I am smart, I am strong, I'm unstoppably sexy. And it. Hai venit un pic să-mi opriți camera.